Hi, this is Amanda Lynn from Speaking English Today, and I have another great question that came in that I would love to answer. So the question is, did you do or have you done? So, for example, should you say, did you do the dishes? But you could also say, have you done the dishes? Which one is correct? Did you do the dishes or have you done the dishes? What do we ask? So that is the answer that I would love to give right now. So let me go to the answer that I shared. So let me tell you how a native English speaker would look at this. Have you done the dishes is technically, grammatically, the correct way to say it. If you're taking a fill-in-the-blank grammar test, choose this one. However, if you want to sound more natural, you have a choice. Most native speakers often make grammar mistakes when they talk. This is especially true for American native speakers. Americans don't usually use the perfect tenses, so they would be more likely to ask, "Did you do the dishes?" British speakers use the perfect tense a lot, so they would most likely ask, "Have you done the dishes?" There is a card game called Go Fish. When British speakers play, they ask questions like, "Have you got any threes?" When Americans play, they ask, "Do you have any threes?" So, to tell you about myself, I grew up in Florida. So, when I was trying to teach the "Have you got any" drill in my classroom, it was really confusing for me to try to ask, "Have you got something?" Because my American brain tells me to say, "Do you have something?" So, with grammar, I would definitely try to learn it more naturally than trying to be really strict on following the rules, because native speakers themselves are not so strict. You need enough grammar to be able to communicate well. So, uh, that being said, I hope this tip was helpful for you and answering this question. If you would like to be on my show, I will post a link in the description below, and I would love to have you as a guest on my show where you could come and speak to me and practice your English with me, and I can answer your questions about learning English. So again, my name is Amanda Lynn, and this is Speaking English Today. Have a great day. Hey, my friend, this is Amanda. Can you do me two favors? One, subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest updates on learning English and traveling in the US. And I'm going to show you what it's like here in the US. And also, there are so many ways to improve your English. I'm going to be coming out with so many great things, so keep watching. And two, if you see a great episode, please share it with your friends, your family, anyone you know who's also learning English. That would help me out tremendously, and it will also help other people learn English. So thank you so much for watching and being on my channel, and I will see you next time in Speaking English Today. Thank you so much.